Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut 1440 degree flare. So if this is the first time you are viewing this channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for coming. So without wasting much of your time, let's go right into the video. So to cut 1440 degree flare, you need to cut 4 full circles like this. So the measurement you need is your waist and the length of the flare or the peplum. The waist I'm working with is 32 inches and then the length of the peplum is 8 inches. So you need 4 of full circle flare, and the full circle flare is 360 degree flare, which is constant. So you need 4 full circles joined together to get your 1440 degree flare. This is what we are cutting today. So pay attention and understand it well. So because it's 4 full circle, it's going to be very full. So there's no need of adding any more inches to pleat. There's not going to be pleat inside. So we are working on the 32 inches. So now you are going to divide this 32 by 4. And then you are going to get 8 inches. So 8 inches is going to be for each of the 4 circles, because you are cutting 4 full circle flare. So what you do next is to find the radius for your waist. So to get that radius, you need to divide 8 inches by 6.28. That's for each circle. So our radius is going to be 1.3. So each circle radius is going to be 1.3. We are going to use 1.3 for each full circle, 1.3 for each full circle, 1.3, 1.3. So we are cutting 4 full circles, which the radius we need is 1.3. So the next thing is to add the radius to the length of the peplum. So the length is 8 inches. 8 plus 1.3 inches for the radius. We are going to get 9.3. So 9.3 will be the length of the peplum together with the allowance and then the radius. So let's get into the cutting now. So you can see that I folded 4 pattern papers here, which I folded into 4. So we are starting with 1. After cutting this, we are going to use it as a template to cut the other 3 full circles. So this is going to be a full circle. Let me see what we have here. I said the length together with the radius is going to be 9.3. So let me put in 9.5. So I have 11 inches here. It's okay. 11 inches here is perfect. So what I'm going to do now is to mark the radius of the waist. So it's 1.3. So I'm going to mark 1.3 all around the upper side of the fold. And I'm going to place my tape on the folded edge like so. And then mark 1.3 all around. So the next thing to do is to mark the length of the peplum, which is going to be 8 inches. So this is it. This is our radius and this is the length of the peplum. What I'm going to do now is to cut it out. So guys, this is it. Let me open it for you to see how our circle looks like. So this is it. I'm just doing this for illustration. I'll be doing the sewing tutorial later in another video. So this is our full circle. You see how the radius is very small. So cutting 4 of these makes the 1440 degree flare very full. So as you can see, I'm going to cut 3 more of this and come and show you the next thing to do. So guys, I'm done cutting the 4 full circles. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me open them all and show you how it looks like. So this is 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. So the next thing to do is to take each of the flare and then open one side of each of the 4, because we are going to join all together. You see? So this is our 4 pieces. So what I'm going to do now is to get my masking tape and then join it. I'm going to join one to the other. So just watch what I'm doing. And the same way you cut it on your fabric, and the same way you are going to join all the 4 pieces together. Guys, you see how full it is? So how do you see it? It's very beautiful, but it needs a lot of fabric to make this flare. So I'm going to place it on the mannequin for you to see how it looks. So thank you for watching. We have come to the end of our video. If you like this video and you know it's helpful to you, please don't forget to share my video, like my video, and also comment down the comment section below to know that you appreciate what I'm doing. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.